Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to insert the SIM card and the micro SD card into the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So let's begin the video. To begin, we need a SIM ejector tool which you can find in the retail box. Now you hold the Galaxy A35 5G like this, and on the top left side you will see a SIM tray outline and a hole. Take the SIM ejection tool and insert it into this hole and push a bit. SIM tray will pop up. Gently pull it out, and this is the SIM card tray. On the top you can insert the same one, and on the other side you can insert second SIM card or the micro SD card. If you wish to add the second SIM or the micro SD card, add them first. Let us begin with the micro SD card. You can place it here. Take the micro SD card and place it with the contacts facing up and the notch matching the tray. To insert the second SIM card, remove the micro SD card first. Place the second SIM here in this slot. Contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. Now rotate the SIM tray and take the SIM one. Notch in the SIM and the tray matches and contacts facing up. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this, in which the SIM one is at the top, and then insert it into the phone carefully. Gently push it and make sure it is properly inserted. It may take a while to detect the network. Once it's detected, it will redirect you to the SIM card manager page. Here you can set the default SIM preference for calls, messages, and mobile data. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.